Have you ever wished your iPhone was just a little bit simpler to use? If you have, you are definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a fantastic, kind of hidden feature that lets you create your very own buttons right on your home screen. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. So let's dive right in.
I think we've all been there. Your phone's acting a little slow, maybe a little buggy, and you just want to give it a quick restart. But honestly, the whole process is a bit of a dance, isn't it? You have to remember which buttons to press and hold, then you got to slide a slider, wait for it to turn off. It's too many steps for something that should be super simple. So here's our game plan for today. First, we'll talk about why that simple restart button is missing in the first place. Then, I'm going to introduce you to your new best friend, a secret tool called the Shortcuts app. We'll go step by step to create your own restart button and pop it right on your screen. And then, at the very end, we'll look at all the other cool things you can do with this new skill. It's a really good question, right? When you go to turn off your iPhone, the screen only gives you a few choices: slide to power off, your medical ID, and emergency calls. A simple one-tap restart button? Nope, nowhere to be found. But you know what? That's okay, because today, we're going to fix that ourselves.
Just take a look at the difference here. On the left, you've got the old, complicated way with all those different steps, but over on the right, a simple one-tap solution. That is our goal today, to turn that whole complicated mess into a single, easy tap.
So how in the world are we going to do this? Well, we're going to use a powerful little app that, and this is the best part, is probably already on your iPhone right this second. It's called Shortcuts, and it is the key to making your phone work exactly the way you want it to. So what is this Shortcuts app anyway? The best way to think of it is like your own personal remote control for your phone. It's a free app made by Apple, and it lets you squish a bunch of steps into a single button. It's all about making your life simpler and faster.
All right, it is time to roll up our sleeves and get hands-on. Now don't you worry, I'm going to guide you through every single step nice and slow. We are going to build your very first shortcut together right now.
Okay, let's get started. First things first, find and open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. It's got that colorful icon with a couple of shapes overlapping. Once that's open, look way up in the top right corner of your screen. You should see a little plus symbol. Go ahead and give that a tap.
Perfect. Now you should see a great big button that says Add Action. Let's tap on that. A new screen's going to pop up, and you'll see a search bar at the very top. In that search bar, I just want you to type the word shutdown.
Okay, now listen up, because this next step is the most important one. You'll see an action that says shutdown. I want you to tap right on the blue word shutdown. When you do that, a tiny little menu will pop up. From that menu, choose Restart. And just like magic, you'll see the word on your screen change from shutdown to restart. That's it. Perfect.
We've built the command, which is great, but now let's actually create the button for it. This next part is all about taking that little command we just made and putting it right on your home screen where you can actually see it and use it. Let's get it done.
Down at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see an icon that looks like a little box with an arrow pointing up out of it. That's the Share button. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will slide up, and you might have to scroll a bit, but you're looking for Add to Home Screen. Once you find it, give that a tap.
And now for the fun part, making it look nice. You can tap where it has a name and change it to something simple, like just Restart. You can even tap the little icon next to the name to pick a new color and a symbol that you like. Once you're happy with it, just tap Add up in the top corner.
And that is it. Seriously, go take a look at your home screen. You should see your brand new shiny Restart button waiting for you. Now, when you tap it, your phone will ask for one final "Are you sure?" just in case you tapped it by accident. You did it!
So now that you've built one button, you've basically unlocked a superpower. A whole new world of possibilities has just opened up. The skill you just learned can be used to create all sorts of helpful one-tap buttons that can really simplify your day.
And hey, here are just a few ideas to get you thinking. Imagine a single button to turn on your flashlight when you're looking for your keys, or one to instantly check your battery level. You can make buttons for silent mode, for airplane mode, even to turn on a Wi-Fi hotspot for a friend. Basically, anything you do often can become a simple button. And that is really what this is all about. Your phone should work for you, not the other way around. With Shortcuts, you have the power to customize your phone so it fits your needs perfectly, making it easier and, honestly, a lot more enjoyable to use.
So now that you've got this new skill under your belt, the only question is, what are you going to build next? A button for your flashlight? One for silent mode? The choice is all yours. Thanks so much for joining me, and have fun exploring.